Good evening, everyone. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Wala man ang sound.
So I am here, standing in front of you, to express my sincere gratitude to our school head and the teachers who guide us throughout our internship journey. So your support, guidance, and willingness to share your knowledge had made our experiences invaluable class. ChatGPT ito, ma'am. So let me start by sharing my experiences, challenges, and learnings by first explaining why I chose this course, the Bachelor of Elementary Education program. So to be honest, I chose this course because it was undecided at that time.
Undecided.
So I just keep tagging along with my friends and the courses they wanted to pursue because I don't know what to do. And that was one of the disadvantages of not being independent. After that, I took the entrance exam for the nursing and criminology program at Pipsu main campus. But I was not lucky enough to pass. So wala ko nakapasar. Na ako score 21. Ang passing score 26.
Kapit na.
So then I went to Biliran Province State University, Biliran campus to look up for courses offered by the school. So there I met Mary Ann and Antonio.
Waiting shed ka mo kita.
Ano to, sir?
Amo na kasi nabot ka mo.
Ako ni kita kami. So,
Nagsumpay na.
undecided kami tulo.
Pwede
So,
hindi siya nag-high-school.
Binsay, ma'am.
Hindi na?
Pinas.
Pinas.
Nagkirig tama kami may pinak, ma'am. Entrance exam.
Siyempre, kayo makakuha ng course.
Pili.
So, the three of us plan to choose the BEd program since most of our friends also wanted to pursue it. So, salamat.
Kapikat.
So, I just tag along,
Pwede rin natin chat GPT.
especially since it was also what my parents wanted for me. Gusto ko mag-police, hindi gabay ko ng pusilon. Engineering, hindi lang daw kay.
Bangin na naman.
Kasi nga ko ng TV, kung ito ka, stable job. Hindi lang marang.
Ano?
Di rin daw stable job.
Stable.
Gusto lang nga daw sa kailangan na may sibo. Hindi, mata ko nito marang, ma'am. Wala pang buot.
Oo.
Next, choosing this course made me somehow convince myself or kingaslight ko na akong self that the BEd program is an easy profession. So I thought it was just a plus lang in math and the parts of the plant in science, but without knowing that the curriculum is actually complex and challenging. So now, here are the challenges. When we started our internship journey, so in the first week, we were exposed to lesson exemplars whose contents were not fully provided. So nakakita kami dito, ma'am, and parts of lesson plan, gintigdahan sa kasimana na an activating prior knowledge, itong to,
An exemplar?
review pala. Ano po, ma'am, ito, di ba? Review pala, ma'am, na yung ko. Ano ba ito pag-discuss na kailangan ko i-execute ang whole parts of the lesson plan tapos review pala. Di ba, ma'am? Naglibog na akong kung ano, kito rita. So, what made it more difficult was that the day I was only, day 1 was only the review of the lesson and day 2 was the motivation.
Hindi nagsamok ko na rin.
Ako na ito sir, ang challenge talaga
Monday,
sir.
mag-review lang ako. Tuesday, mag-motivate.
That was the really struggle for us because
Gin-add ka daw sa
we needed topics to discuss and to execute the complete parts of the lesson plan. And the second struggle in there is that subtasking the objectives. Ako talaga ito na akong pinaka-challenge. During the first 2 weeks, alam ko talaga na mali yung lesson plan ko. Because iisang objective to different topics and pieces. So, ano man, suba ko pala ito may DLL, ma'am. DLL, ma'am. Di ba, sir? Pausa ka, listen, 1 week, nagparehas na. So,
Kaya sa objective.
Oo.
Pero iba-iban mga activities.
Wala yung substance. Kasama
Hintayin
lang
mo
to.
lang tan term. Oo, lagi mo.
Mataging chap-chap.
Tapos ma'am, I still remember when I have to avoid Sir Robin. Nahanap na ako kan Sir. Pag-ipuan, ay ito ay contact. Because I know my lessons were not differentiated activities.
Kinanglan may dagon.
So my first week was a real struggle because we were tasked to teach in the second day. Nasyak talaga kami ma'am. Ikaw no, kinasikat lang ng advisor. Bangit tagang kamo sa gawin na preparation para mag-teach. Pag-siring ba ito? Nangutang ako ma'am Cheryl. Ma'am, saan ako kami magtato? Buwas. Ito na.
Boy, kay bumaton lalata ko ni sakto kay among siring ni ma'am.
Kung kalas na ako, patayin ko din yung forum. Pag siring ma'am, okay, adiyan sa kuhanan, DLL. Pagkita ko, nalagay ito ma'am. Tribune Talison, all week. Di ko lang, ano ko yung magtugdo.
Kay code mo di hindi ko nakawikli.
Tapos, it was a hell week with no sleep. Wala ko ito katulog. And there are times that I am having a short memory loss. Ako ng example lang,
Ang glasaluya.
na akong charger, wala, ito lang na bag.
Hindi mo naman no.
Then,
Ang padyo lagi ko.
ano pa? And also,
Ang patay.
umuklat ako to. Kaya ako ningtag na wara.
plan?
Dito lang kayo namin akong sa photo sa nahulog.
Sanoy.
Manara, manada.
Nalibot pa kami dito sa gabi na alas 6. Kado kami, katulog kami bumalik.
Kabarin.
Oo, tulo na kami ng puruglig. Pagkaagay, mama na nagkakita.
Sige lang katawa yung Ma'am Connie.
Sige lang
Then,
papati.
akin na akong learnings. So, naliwanagan na ako kung paano magsabta sa objectives na i-serapin na board that time na nag-observe ako, tapos na nag-impart yung knowledge.
Na-board na kay S.
Siring ka ba yun?
Di ba sir? So, ako to, together with the guidance of my corporate teacher, Ma'am Cheryl Turca,
Kumpito eh.
thank you very much ma'am talaga.
Bakit
Thank
kasi
you very
mawala?
much sir. Kaya ito, bagat mas
Complete.
naliwanagan na talaga ako. Ang kuhan, pagsabta sa objectives, na kailangan
Second week na ngayon.
itong kuhan, itong tawag ito.
Struggle pa on first week.
Ito, connected na quiz, tapos differentiated activities. So, ako na to. So, thank you very much. Thank you very much for imparting those knowledge and giving me the feedback because it had given me a huge impact na madadala-dala ko in my future careers or anything. So, after that, I was able to slowly, don't get used to making lesson plans. Naka-prepared na ako mga differentiated activities every lesson, every day. Di ba, ma'am? Ito na. Then, ito na ako na slowly naka-adahan rest since nakakain mo na ako ng lesson plan ahead of time na ito for sugad to na adlaw. So, amag to. Thank you very much, Ma'am Cheryl, Sir Ruben, Ma'am Jenna Grace, and all to the teachers here in Pinagumban for being supportive and for giving us the guidance that we need and the experiences that we have to experience. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much talaga. So, once again, I sincerely thank everyone who has been part of this journey. May the experiences and lessons we gain continue to inspire us as we move forward in our chosen profession as future educators. Thank you.
Okay. Last one.